Good morning, guys. Welcome to the session. These questions deal with grammar knowledge, phrase replacement. Let us go to the first question. Although talking or texting on a mobile phone while driving is dangerous, it doesn't stop people from doing so. What is in bold? It doesn't stop people. Although talking or texting on a mobile phone while driving is dangerous, it doesn't stop people from doing so. I don't see any error in this. Answer should be no correction required. Question number two. The thumping sound of the new motorbike may not musical to the policeman's ears as he could fine you for causing sound pollution. May not musical, grammatically it is not correct. May not be musical, may not be music. Hold that one. May not musical, not correct. Might be musician, not at all correct. May be musical. It should not be. The thumping sound of the new motorbike may not be music to the policeman's ears. Answer is the first option. Something may not be. It may not be music. Question number three. According to a research, taking antibiotics can doubled. Already you have learned after the helping verb, if at all we have to use a verb, it should be in the basic form without to or bare infinitive. It can double is not correct. It should be can double the risk of. Answer is the second option. According to a research, taking antibiotics can double the risk of a child contracting juvenile arthritis. Question number four. A study has found concentration of heavily metals in the water and marine organisms in and around Ennore Creek. A study has found concentration of heavy metals it should be, not heavily metals, concentration of heavy metals or yes, it should be. This is also in bold. They should have done it. A study has found concentration of heavy metals in the water and marine organisms in and around Ennore Creek. Answer is the third option. Easy to make out. These days, airlines and airplane makers are constantly on the lookout for new ways to cram much people into planes. New ways to cram, there's no problem as such, but here people we cannot use much because countable. These days, airlines and airplane makers are constantly on the lookout for new ways to cram more people into planes. To cram more people. Based on that, answer is the fourth option. All the five questions are easy. Still with phrase replacement, the country is unlikely to import more wheat in the coming weeks due to surged in global prices. Surged is not correct. Due to a surge. Duly surging, not correct. Due to surging, not correct. We have to use a noun form. Surge means sudden forward movement or sudden increase of something. Answer is the first option. Due to what? A surge in global prices. Question number seven. The High Court has been directed the state government. It should not be in passive voice, it should be in active voice. The High Court has done something. Doer is a subject, then we should use active voice, but here it looks like passive voice, which is not correct. Based on that, the High Court has directed the state government not to grant administrative approval in respect of any water project until an integrated state water plan is finalized. As directed. Subject is third person singular. Sentence is in present perfect tense, active voice. So the High Court has directed the state government. Easy to make out. The country is experiencing a slump worse than the Great Depression, and nothing happening now offers hope for recovery. And nothing happening now, nothing offers hope. If you find it a bit confusing, put the words happening now in brackets. Nothing offers hope for recovery. There is no error as such. So nothing happening now offers hope for recovery. Absolutely no problem. Based on that, answer should be the fifth option, no correction required. Knocked off his surfboard by a shark. Knocked off his surfboard by a shark. You have to read very carefully. Knocked off his surfboard by a shark. The ace swimmer punched the creature before escaping unharmed during the televised finals of a world surfing competition. Knocking off himself is not correct. Here it is in passive voice. He was knocked off by a shark. Knocked off his surfboard by a shark. Knocked himself not correct. By his not correct. On his not correct. Answer is the fifth option. No correction required. Knocked off his surfboard by a by a shark. Question number 10. The long hot summer comes to an ending as the parched earth cools down with the incessant downpour which rides in on the monsoon winds. The long hot summer comes to an ending, not correct. Comes to an end, it should be. Coming is not correct. Comes. The long hot summer comes to an end. So answer is the third option. All the 10 questions are easy to answer. Now we have questions based on a passage. This passage you got to read twice or thrice. Not that easy, but you can answer many questions. It's all about some mountainous parts of Mexico are so remote that the electricity grid fails to reach them, let alone the banking system. Related to the banking system, financial market, financial aspects. Let us go to the first question based on the passage, or question number 11. Choose a word which is opposite in meaning to the word stipple. Stifle means to control, to regulate, to hold. It's a negative word here. Is dominance in the mobile phone market to stifle competition, to control, to regulate, to discourage, or to become an impediment. As I said, it's a negative word. You have to look for opposite. That means a positive word. Check is a neutral word. Worry is a negative word. Contain in a way. You can hold that one. Overpower. Contain also in a way negative. Here it should be the first option, encourage. Stifle, opposite, encourage. Question number 12. Which of the following does the author want to convey through the statistics for 2013 stated in the passage? The central bank has done a commendable job in providing credit to the poor. Answer is the third option. Less than 7% of the 4 million micro businesses that make up 95% of all firms in Mexico had access to bank credit in 2013. I don't think that is the answer. Answer should be it is difficult for micro businesses to get access to credit. Answer is the fifth option. Question number 13. What is the author's view of the action taken by CNBV in granting a P2P license? It is a desirable step as it will benefit those who want access to credit. We can see the mention of that over here. Answer is the first option. It is a desirable step as it will benefit those who want access to credit. Question number 14. According to ILU Mexico, why are their default rates of rural poor not much higher than the national average? The government does not adequately monitor these loans. The rural poor do not want to lose this channel of credit. The incomes of the rural poor are relatively stable contrary to perception. Answer is the second option, only B. The rural poor do not want to lose this channel of credit. Question number 15. Same in meaning, the word is spare. Spare usually means extra, spare time, spare parts. The question says same in meaning. Based on that, it should be not mercy, not related to the word spare, thin, no, increased, no, need, no. Answer is the third option. Spare in a way means excess, more, excess. Answer is the third option. Question number 16. Opposite in meaning remote. Remote means isolated, not to have access, isolated, being aloof. The question says opposite. Based on that, withdrawn, not correct. Hold this one. Outgoing, not related. Departing, not related. Responsive, no. Remote, no access. What is opposite? Accessible. Answer is the second option. Question number 17. Same in meaning stems. Stems from. To begin from, to start from, one of the meanings. Another meaning of stem, to cut, to control. The question says same in meaning. Based on that, stocks not correct, stops not correct, trunks nothing to do with the typical meaning of the word stem. Answer is the fourth option, occurs, start, occurs. Question number 18. Which of the following is true in the context of the passage? Mexican banks are not innovating at all in providing credit to the unbanked. Answer is the second option. Question number 19. Which of the following is the author's main objective in writing the passage? Point out that technology can and should be deployed to provide access to banking services. Answer is the third option. Question number 20. Which of the following can be said about Mexican banks in the context of the passage? Their business has been overtaken by social enterprises and fintech startups. Answer is the first option. Those 10 questions based on the passage. Now let us go to the next set of questions based on Parajumble. Not that difficult. This situation, demonstrative adjective, cannot be the first sentence. In a widely reported speech, the Prime Minister claimed, hold this one, however, cannot be the first sentence. The allusion in this phrase cannot be the first sentence. Having a greater proportion of people in the working age group can mean, hold this one, of the three cannot be the first sentence. When you go through, you can easily make out the first sentence is B. What is it? In a widely reported speech, the Prime Minister claimed that the 21st century can belong to India as it has three assets that no other country has: democracy, demand, and demographic dividend. Based on this, of the three, demographic dividend has become a much bandied phrase in recent years. F is the second sentence. The clue for the next sentence, the word phrase. The allusion in this phrase, the allusion in this phrase is to India's current demographic state where the ratio of the working age population to the dependent population is near its peak. The clue for the next sentence, the ratio. This situation of the ratio being at the peak will last another 20 to 30 years. Having a greater proportion of people in the working age group can mean faster per capita economic growth in these 2 or 3 decades, 20 to 30, 2 or 3 decades, but only if their full potential is realized. What is the last sentence? However, a look at the state of employment in the country shows that India is still far from deriving any real advantage from its demographic dividend. The correct order, BFDAEC. Not that difficult, but you got to read once or twice. Now you have double fillers. It is to be fully before you decide to get yourself a pet. Question number 26. It is important to be fully prepared. It is focused, not correct. It is recommended. You can consider, but to be fully allowed, not correct. Remarkable doesn't go with the context. Concentrated, not correct. Grammatically speaking, it is important. What is important? It is important to be fully prepared before you decide to get yourself a pet. Answer is the fifth option. Experts claim that heat waves can be extremely for those with existing health conditions, extremely violent, mostly harmful, regularly, dangerous, especially for those devoid without something, doesn't go with the context. Answer is the third option. Experts claim that heat waves can be extremely dangerous especially for those with existing health conditions. Easy to answer. The woman would him about his poverty and would call him a beggar in order to him. Ask him about his poverty and would call him a beggar in order to elate him. No, elation means happiness. The woman would taunt him about his poverty and would call him a beggar in order to irritate him. This seems right. Tease him in order to provoking is not correct. Grammatically speaking, seek him, not correct. Doesn't go with the context. Jeer at him. You don't see the preposition at. Jeer means to mock, to ridicule. Answer is the second option, taunt him, to irritate him. No arrests have been made so far. The police said that of identifying culprits was on. Though almost cannot be used, course of identifying not correct. Though no arrests have been made so far, the police said that the process of identifying culprits was on. Answer is the third option. Forward its string of exciting launches this year, the luxury car manufacturer relaunched its popular car in a new avatar. Taking forward its string of exciting launches this year, the luxury car manufacturer recently relaunched its popular car in a new avatar. Answer is the first option. Bringing forward is relaunched, grammatically not correct. Setting forward not correct. Leaving definitely cannot be considered. Trending also not correct. Answer is the first option. Now you have questions based on grammar knowledge. Spot the errors. Babies are having fewer sweat glands than adults, and their temperature regulating systems are not fully developed. This talks about possession. The sentence is in present tense, a fact, possession especially. Based on that, there's an error in the first part. Babies have, not are having. When we talk about possession, we cannot use a helping verb have in ing form. Based on that, babies have something, whatever it is. On a cold, rainy day, it is wise to wear layers of clothing, but one should remember not to overdoing it. Not to overdo it, it should be. Overdoing is not correct. Not to overdo it. Both part there is an error. The monsoon season makes it difficult to people who regularly take a walk in the parks of the city. Monsoon season makes it difficult to people, not to people. The monsoon season makes it difficult for people who regularly take a walk in the parks of the city. There is an error in the second part. Deep breathing could prove to be highly beneficial during the heat as it only not protects as it not only protects from disease but also keeps one active. It only not is not correct. It not only protects from disease but also keeps one active. There is an error in the third part. It should be it not only. While it is advisable to leave your gadgets at home, if you must carry them along, you needed to rainproof them. You need to, not needed to. You need to rainproof them. There's an error in the fourth part. From cheering you up to making you feel deeply loved, pets tend to remain your companions for life. I don't see any error. Based on that, no error. A woman had to be admitted to the hospital as she was attacked with a knife by her brother in law. A woman had to be admitted, not been. It should be the helping verb have to be admitted. In the past, had to be admitted, not been, be. The forensic team visited the school and collected the bamboos and sticks with what the school's director was beaten to death. It is not what with which. The forensic team visited the school and collected the bamboos and sticks with which the school's director was beaten to death. There's an error here. Third part. One rarely finds a doctor with a sense of humor, but if you looked harder, you will find that underneath the serious garb is a doctor with a funny bone. There's an error in the second part. But if you look harder, not looked, it should be look harder. The authorities recovered a bunch of fake currency notes dumped inside a garbage bin near the international airport. Dumped in, not inside. Dumped in a garbage bin near the international airport. There's an error in the second part. Third part, that is the third part. Yes. Dumped in a garbage, third part. The last 10 questions are based on closed test. Should not be that difficult. The bank's decision to start charging few customers each time they withdraw money from one of its automated teller machines reflects a trend. You need a verb with S or ES. That based on that leads a trend, not correct. Returns, not correct. Catches, not correct. Reflects a trend that is sweeping the banking industry. Leaving consumers not remaining. Parting, not correct. Allowing. Leaving consumers facing rising fee for services that once were compliment, freebie, free, nothing, unpaid. Once were free. Banks used to be so satisfied to attract, concerned, no, apathetic, no, adoring, eager to attract. Any business for that matter. Banks used to be so eager to attract customer business that they gave services away. And the of charging customers, not ideas, not impression, not confidence, not techniques. You cannot use a plural form. The concept of charging customers to use an automated teller machine was out of question. After all, customers were optimist, You need a verb in past participle form. After all, customers were encouraged to use ATMs because the machines would follow tellers. No, the machines would replace tellers and allow banks to reduce or cut. Mark no, adhere no, dissect not relevant, cut costs or reduce costs. Those days have abandoned no, escaped no, advanced, perished, passed. Those days have passed, however, and bank customers now face a fee for almost any type of transaction. And fee are going up, doubling and tripling the cost of banking for consumers who cannot afford to maintain the minimum deposit levels, not hertz, not permit, can't afford to maintain the minimum deposit levels required to avoid or reduce the fee. Answer is the second option. That's all about this paper, an easy paper. Thank you very much.